Hello everyone, welcome back to Mithun Diaries. Now we may buy sports bike, superbikes or even premium machines. But for most of us, it all starts with a simple 100cc commuter bike. For me, that journey started long back. I began with the Kawasaki Bajaj KB100, then moved to the Suzuki Max 100R, got my driving license on a Hero Honda CD100, and later this bike entered into our family, the Bajaj CT100. And today, after 20 long years, this CT100 is still running. That itself tells a story. It feels like a small bike with big art. That's the feel of this engine. If you look at the specifications, this CT100 comes with a single cylinder, 4-stroke, air-cooled engine which has a displacement of 102cc. It's a 4-stroke engine which has air-cooled cooling system. The power output is 7.9 PS at 7500 RPM. The torque of this machine is 8.34 Newton meter at 5500 RPM. Just because of these specifications, it's pretty simple, low maintenance and ideal for daily commuting. It is designed for more mileage and reliability than outright speed. This comes with a 4-speed gearbox. It's a manual gearbox which gives rider control and helps in achieving good mileage. This comes with a multi-plate wet clutch. This can reach top speeds of 80 to 85 km per hour approximately, and the mileage is excellent. It gives typically around 65 to 85 km per liter under normal riding conditions. The mileage is one among the best in 100cc commuter segment. This bike comes with drum brakes in both front and rear. It's decent but not super sharp and needs anticipation. There is no disc setup. It's simple and low cost. The front suspension is with telescopic forks and the rear suspension is with dual shock absorbs. It's comfortable for city and light rural use. The frame of the bike is single down tube and front tire comes with approximately 2.75 and the rear is with 3. It has high sidewall tires which gives comfortable ride on uneven roads. The fuel tank capacity is 10 liters. The range will be super cool because if we consider an approximate of 70 kilometers, 70 into 10, it would be approximately 700 kilometers once we fill the tank. The weight of this bike is approximately around 110 kilos. It's light and easy to handle. The other practical features are it has a kickstart, it has standard headlamp which is halogen in the older models, it's very simple in the instrument cluster, it's affordable with the maintenance parts, and of course strong spare parts availability. Let me tell you one thing very honestly, if you give accelerator, this bike runs like a horse. It may be a 100cc commuter on paper, but on the road it has its own character. The engine is simple, mechanical and raw. No much electronics, no riding modes, just you, the throttle and the road. Now let's talk about the cons. because no bike is perfect. If you apply brakes, the bike does stop, but only after a certain distance. That's the reality. Brakes are not sharp, stopping distance is long. You must anticipate traffic well in advance. This bike teaches you patience and planning, not panic braking. This CT100 is more comfortable with back brake usage. Front brake, even if you apply it, the bike still travels a bit before stopping. So the golden rule, use back brakes more, front brakes gently. This bike trains you to ride responsibly. This is the biggest plus point in the CT100. The Pro comes with the mileage. This bike gives excellent fuel efficiency even today. If someone asks me, I want mileage, reliability, and low maintenance, my answer is simple. Any 100cc is the best segment, and CT100 is a king there. Starting the bike, it's gonna be like a old school rules. This is another classic trait. To start the CT100, you must come to neutral gear. If it's in gear, the vehicle won't start. Simple mechanical logic, no shortcuts. Again, discipline. Let's be honest again. When a heavy vehicle passes nearby, this bike vibrates and sometimes feels like, are we about to fly in the air? And now with silent heavy vehicles moving fast, that sudden air pressure makes it even more noticeable. But this was the reality of lightweight commuter bikes back then. Why it makes sense to buy an 100cc commuter bike? If someone wants mileage, simplicity, fun with gears, low running cost, 100cc is still the best segment. You don't need speed to enjoy riding, all you need is connections. Today, we may earn in lakhs, we may ride super sports bikes, but most of us have lived a phase where buying a CT100 or any other 100cc bike itself was very difficult. It came with loan, with monthly EMIs, and a lot of calculation. That struggle, that value, you never get it again with a superbike. Yes, today we can buy powerful machines, but they won't give that mileage, that struggle, that respect for money, that emotional attachment. CT100 taught us riding, responsibility, and reality. Kudos to Bajaj for making such a simple, durable, and beautiful road weapon. Not flashy, not fast, but forever reliable. If you have owned a CT100 or any 100cc bike, you already know what I am talking about. Drop your memories in the comment section. Let's respect where we started. This is Mithun Diaries, real stories, real machines, real life. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.